me. Can you see I'm wearing pink? I was already dressed for Jubilee's video, so I decided to do yours quickly. Um, the thing that's common between you and I, apart from being fellow Cancerians, I would love to be your size, but I'm not. But we both have Imelda Marcos with all her shoes. When you were 4, you had 100 pair of shoes. At 40, I had 100 pair of shoes. You were the cutest little girl with a fringe and knowing all the nursery rhymes. Now, then my next memory is when you grew up, and I went to get you fly down to Vizag to meet Mai and to meet you, and then force you to come to Bombay. And I think that was another amazing chapter between us. We've always had a great connection. What I admire about you is your tenacity, your hard work, and always being, very kind, remembering things. Happy birthday to you. Lots and lots of love.
Wish you a very warm and happy birthday, Pinky Nani. There are many things that make you a very special person in my life. You have been a very loving, caring, and an incredible sister and a true friend to me. You have never forgotten a birthday and an anniversary. I don't know how do you do that. You have even come to visit me on special days when Kumar was not around, just to make me happy, just to lighten my mood. You, me, Mama Nani, and Lipa Nani really enjoy a special bond since our childhood. We were a team and we had a lot of fun. It's a great assurance for me that you and Solomon Vaina are here. You both are a great support, strength, and guide. We absolutely love your company and thankful to you both always. I can go on and on about you, but I just want to say that I love you very much and miss you so much. Hope we meet soon. Wishing you lots of happiness for all the years to come. Keep smiling, keep rocking.
Wish you a happy birthday, dear Pinky Nanny, dear Pinky Nanny. Wish you a happy birthday, a happy birthday to you. Wish you a very happy birthday, Pinky Nanny. May God bless you with abundant well being, joy, and happiness in your life. Just wanted to share a quick, very fond memory of mine with you. During one of the Raksha Bandhan days in Mumbai, we both had met and we had gone out. That was very special for me. You had taken out time for me. um, I just love you for that and for remembering all our special days. You're the only one who does that regularly without fail, and that means a lot to all of us. We love you. We really love you lots. May God bless you. Bye.
Hey Pinky, first thing, I love you. I love you, my darling. Many, many, many happy returns of the day, Pinky. Wish you have a lovely day today. And it's been quite a ride, actually. It's been 30, 35 years or more. I mean, yeah, including the childhood days, it's more than 35 years when we used to be at team number. And we were more of siblings rather than, cousins. You and me and Dimpy, and we were like staying together there. Lizzie, Rosie, for that matter, also. But you were the closest to me. You, you understood me like a mother would do. I mean, more than that. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for being my sister in this life. I wish that you come in my life as my sister or my mother, or whichever way karma works and the reincarnations work. I want you to be in my life. However, I wish you uh, a lifetime of happiness and simplicity and togetherness that we have always shared. So it's a great feeling to be celebrating your birthday after so many years, and you're the only one who have been wishing me every birthday. You're the only one who have been wishing everybody on their birthdays. You deserve much more than this, much more than this. This is all we could do, I could do, but I'll come to you and we'll meet again very soon. I love you again. I love you.
Hey, a very happy birthday to one of my incredible cousin. Pinky Nani, you are one of the most humble and genuine person I have ever met in my life. You remember everyone's birthday, which shows your love and affection for us. Today is a very special day. Today it's your birthday, so to celebrate you, and I can say, and I'm very lucky to say, Suhani shares her birthday with you, and I want her to be a person like you. And I can trust you. I can say you are that cousin of mine who will always cheer me up in my greatest height and will always console me when I have fallen down. I love you. I trust you completely. You have always been there for me. I love you a lot. चलते चलते मेरी ये गीत याद रखना, कहीं अलविदा ना कहना, कहीं अलविदा ना कहना। हंसते रोते बस यूं ही गुनगुनाते रहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना, कभी अलविदा ना कहना।
Hey Pinky Mausi, a very happy birthday to you. It's really amazing that we share the same birthday. And I remember the time you came to Vizag, we had a lot of fun. And I really hope to meet you and Mitzi soon. Bye.
Pinky Nani, wish you a very, very happy birthday. When I think back, I have always told you so that you are like my own sister, and I never felt that you are a cousin of mine, and that's the love and respect we both share for each other. Childhood memories, there are lots. You were always very calm and composed. I have memories since I think we were in Raurkela, and I used to visit your house then, and then when we were in Bhubaneswar. But you were always as I say, the cool kind, and very few words, but then we used to look up to you a lot. And then most of my memories, we built it together in Mumbai at Simunani's place. And I think I found more than a sister, a very good friend that, I can talk anything under the sun. From Bombay days till Bangalore, through my ups and downs, you and Solomon Bhaina have been my pillars of strength, especially when I was going through different changing times, and the way you provided me with the kind of mental support, and that's
that's I'm ever grateful for. So be the lovely you as you are. You're very caring. Everyone knows that. You keep in touch with everyone. So that's a very good trait of yours. I wish you lots of happiness and keep sharing your love and stay blessed always. Lots of love. Happy birthday again, Pinky Nani.
Happy birthday, Pinky Mousy. Hope you have an amazing quarantine. Thanks for being so supportive, caring, and always being there for me. And keep smiling and be who you are. Love you a lot. And have an amazing day. And have some cake, party, even though it's quarantine, and just have fun.
कैश चाहिए मुझे कैश चाहिए कैश चाहिए मुझे कैश चाहिए पैसा फेंक तमाशा देख नाचेगी पिंकी फुल टोले
Started?
Yeah.
Hey, Pinky. Hey, Pinky. Hey, wish you a very, very happy birthday. We thought for your birthday, we shall be try to be, as much in pink as possible, including my pink brush.
Yeah.
And Zeleny and I wanted to wish you a very, very pinky birthday.
Yeah.
Pinky promise. Let's be in touch. And it's been lovely to be back in touch with you. So let's keep in touch and keep our pinky promise.
Happy birthday, Pinky.
Happy birthday. Bye.
Do you want to see the pink panties?
No pink panties. Bye.
Bye.
Happy birthday, Pinky Nani. So wish you all the best on your birthday. Hope you have a fantastic year ahead. And all the best for your health, for your happiness, for your family. Stay happy and cheerful always. Take care. Bye.